Hello ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you at Hot Rod Distiller's headquarters based in Lviv, Ukraine, and today we're gonna make gin and we will show you how to use our essential oil distiller that we have developed to produce gin at home in a simple way. We will produce today around 2.5 liters or 0.6 gallon of gin together. First of all, we will fill the spices in the column of our distiller. We fill all these spices, we can see the spices. So easy it is. So the next step, we will take the sieve and close the bottom of the column. Now our next step is that we have to fill our pot with alcohol. We need to fill 1.5 liter or 1.5 quarts. Next thing we do is we fill it with the tap water. So we have to make it full till here. And we may build our column. We have to install the silicone gasket and fix it with a tri-clamp. Okay, now the column is rigid, and the next thing is that we need to connect the chiller to the kitchen faucet. So for that reason we have a kitchen faucet adapter which will help you to connect your tap water to the chiller. You connect your hose and tight it well, and we may see that the water is circulating. So guys, the column is ready. Now we need to install the spout to collect our gin. So we again fix it with a tri-clamp. Now we need the collecting vessel, let's say this kind of bucket. We have the column is connected to the water with the chiller. The spices are inside, all the herbal material is inside. Alcohol diluted with water is also inside. So let's begin and see how fast and simple we can make gin. So 10 minutes behind and we are getting close to collect our first droplets. Juniper has very specific ingredient called tuyon. Tuyon oil is extremely bitter and also giving opalescence to our drink, so it will not be so transparent and clear. So what you want to do is to collect the first 10 to 20 grams or 1 liquid ounce of first drops of gin and just throw it away. While we are waiting, besides using herbs for production of gin, you can also apply other ingredients such as dried apples or plums or maybe apricots or whatever, and make your favorite infused alcohol at home. So easy it is, you just fill up the column and you basically repeat the same procedure. So this is the first product coming out and it's quite hot. So we have to reduce the power, and now we collect our gin. So you see it's yellowish or greenish in color. This is what you don't want to have in your product. Oh, smells to juniper. Fantastic. Okay guys, it's almost 1 hour past and we are finishing to collect our gin. So within this 1 hour we have got 1.8 liters or similar amount of quarts of gin, and we may switch it off now. This is fantastic gin, and now we will mix it together and dilute it to the drinkable strength. So we'll use this plastic bucket for dilution. 67% of alcohol. And now we want to dilute it to have 43 Okay, I have prepared 1 liter of demineralized osmotic water. Job done. Your gin has 43% of alcohol, 86 proof. Your craft bottle of gin is ready. Simple, easy, safe, and fun. When you would like to follow the same procedure, you can find us. We will leave the links below in the comments, as well as our own website, hotroddistiller.com. So I'm wishing you a nice time. Whenever you have questions or comments, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much.